Can blackhead remover remove whiteheads? Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a common skincare concern: can blackhead remover remove whiteheads? As we all know, blackheads are caused by clogged hair follicles, while whiteheads are inflamed open blemishes on the skin that contain bacteria. Now, let's dive into the world of blackhead removers. Blackhead removers are often containing salicylic acid, which helps exfoliate the skin, unclog pores, and reduce the appearance of blackheads. While these products can be effective in removing blackheads, they might not be the best choice for whiteheads. That being said, it's essential to maintain a proper skincare routine to address both blackheads and whiteheads. If you have a combination skin type, it might be beneficial to use a dual-action product that can tackle both problems simultaneously. In this case, a blackhead remover might be suitable for use after cleansing, while a whitehead remover can be used directly on inflamed whiteheads. In conclusion, while blackhead removers can help in removing blackheads, they might not be the most effective solution for whiteheads. That's why maintaining a proper skincare routine, including a suitable dual-action product, is key to achieving clear, healthy skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your skincare goals.